counts to against Parliament who makes laws. Chale, anyways. So that's the only reference.
Ji. Allocation of symbol.
I must keep reminding you.
Ji.
Kitna waqt aur?
Sir, if I say 10 minutes, is that fine?
10 ही 10 होंगे.
10 ही होगा sir. 10 of my topic.
ठीक है.
Allocation of symbol to political parties governed under Chapter 12 of the Election Act 2017. A political party who has complied with the provisions of Section 202, 206, 209.
ये हम पढ़ चुके हैं. इसमें अगर आपको खास पॉइंट बताएं ना, वो हम अंडरलाइन कर लें.
लाइन 5
हमने पढ़ लिया. जी.
लाइन 5. The penal clause, i.e. subsection 5 of Section 215. Envisaging for ineligibility to obtain an election symbol can be invoked only when a political party, despite a show cause notice, has failed to comply with the provisions of Section 209 or 210 of the Election Act. Section 209 only deals with the submission of documents and in no manner authorizes the ECP to question or adjudicate upon the validity of intra-party election. Indeed, it is settled law that a regulatory and penal provision in any law should be construed strictly. Penal statutes tending to deprive valuable rights of franchise should be strictly construed, and in case of doubt, benefit must go to the person against whom it is sought to be invoked. Disqualifying provisions in an act dealing with municipal election are penal provisions and therefore ought not to be extended beyond their legitimate limit. But at the same time, if there is any doubt, the court should be careful to see that the intention of the legislature in enacting the section is duly observed. AIR, Calcutta, Understanding Statutes by Essence of a page so and so. The combined reading of Section 208, 209 and 215 does not give any impression that the ECP has any jurisdiction to question or adjudicate the intra-party election of a political party. The perusal of the entire Election Act would certainly show that the ECP has no jurisdiction to conduct a roving inquiry into any matter, rather its jurisdiction is summary in nature. फिर वो आगे केस की quotation बहादुर वाली and then para 21. The outcome of the aforesaid discussion is that the impugned action of ECP denying election symbol to the petitioner has the effect of depriving the petitioners and its members to freely participate in the affairs and governance of Pakistan through political activities as guaranteed through Article 17(2) of the Constitution. Indeed, the Constitution 73 has ensured that every citizen in Pakistan has the right to form or be a member of a political party subject to any reasonable restriction.
इससे तो कोई तो राय नहीं है.
फिर वो quotations आ गई. We've already read the judgments, refer to them at least. And then the conclusion at page 23, I would like to read. G. Last 5 lines. The government of the political party so formed must implement the program of the political party which the electorate has mandated it to carry into effect. And now this.
Will you agree with this?
G.
Hey, suppose you give a certain thing.
Manifesto.
So the government of the political party so far must implement the program of the political party.
कोई manifesto की बात
नहीं, तो फिर ये क्या declaratory decree वो judgment दे रहे हैं कि आपने whatever कह दिया अपने manifesto में आप उसको implement करेंगे.
ऐसे होना
ये तो मेरे ख्याल में मुनासिब बात नहीं है.
होना चाहिए सर, because manifestos हमारी political party
होना चाहिए. It's like a wish. God cannot direct. Suppose कल आप कहेंगे जी 16 साल के बच्चों को या उनको वोट का हक देना चाहिए. For instance, आपके मैनिफेस्टो में लिख दें, God can't direct you. Yes. Parliament can change law if they want to.
Correct. बिल्कुल सही. Any unlawful order which results in frustrating this activity by removing it from the office before completion of its normal tenure would therefore constitute an infringement of this fundamental right. उसके बाद से नेक्स्ट पेज पे उन्होंने वो केसेस हम कोट कर चुके हैं ऑलरेडी. रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन सिंबल एंड अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी एंड देन द सिंपल कंक्लूजन दैट द जुरिसडिक्शन इज नॉट देयर. सो आई वुड सपोर्ट दिस जजमेंट. एंड आखिरी बात जो मैं करूंगा सर, बिकॉज आई हैव टू कंक्लूड इन 10 minutes.
Only thing it may except if I can speak on your behalf, except calling a provision of law absurd. As a parliamentarian, you would not want that to.
That can be changed. बिल्कुल ठीक है.
चलें जी.
अच्छा सर, before I end, एक दो just the concept कि एक जिसने कंडक्ट किया इलेक्शन उसने दुरुस्त कंडक्ट नहीं किया और उसकी वजह से सिंबल ले लिया गया. जस्ट द कॉन्सेप्ट एक केस था।
यहाँ पर आपको बताएं कि चौधरी परवेज इलाही की अहलिया